I was driving on the highway and pieces of tires started flying off of my spare. What the heck? This is terrible. Oh, I gotta call someone now. Gosh dang it, I can't get a break. What the heck? Come on! They said do a burnout. It'd be great. Now my spare won't even freaking hold air. What the ignorance? Oh my gosh. I gotta fix 2 tires now. Then I gotta call Gavin. He didn't answer. We call Harry. Hey, I have some news. I had a blowout.
Really?
My spare blew out. I'm debating just driving there with a blown tire. I bet you I probably will, but I don't know. I'll just make the drive.
You can make it here, I'll take you to get a tire down the road at the place.
Fat bet. All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, well, I guess I'm driving back. Who cares about a blowout? I don't. So, oh, this is bad. I don't know if I can make this happen, but I'm gonna try it. Oh no! This is bad! Oh, my fender! This is bad, I can't make it happen. I'm gonna have to reassess. I just need the tire off. If I just had wheel, I'd be fine. Yeah, I just need to pull this stuff off. Oh, that sucks. There's my skin. All right, well, I'm just gonna have to make this happen. Rip fenders. And I'm gonna try and burn this tire off. This is so bad. Ah! Copyright! Let's try this one more time. I think I got it. I got it! It's so smooth now! I got it, I'm on the rim! So when you have a blowout, just do a burnout and you can make it home. If you don't have a spare. Well, if you actually blow out your spare that you just blew out last night, then you only have a spare, and your spare got blown out because you were just driving down the road, which is ignorant. I just gotta wait until there's a break on the highway, yet again, go out, look, make sure the tire's fine, and if I can make it home, then I will make it home. I gotta hurry. Oh dang, the wind is crazy off that semi-truck. Oh yeah, I could do this. I could definitely do this. This is definitely doable. All right, I put my seatbelt on. I'm gonna make it. This thing does not like to go. It's just spinning left and right. I am totally on rim. Oh my gosh. This is great. This is bad. This is very bad. I've upgraded to my own lane. This is great. I don't even have a tire. I'm riding on the rim. More pieces keep flying off of the rim. I'm sorry. Ah! Oh no, there it went again. There it goes. That needs to come off. Stop hitting my fender. I'm paying $600 for that fender. There it goes. I'm strictly on rim. No more tire. I'm completely metal on the road. I hope this thing doesn't catch on fire. Oh boy, I'm gonna check it out and see what kind of condition it's in. I'm gonna see if it's still even there. This is bad. This is very bad. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna take my drink with me because I'm gonna see how hot it is. Oh boy. You know, it's not that bad. I wonder if it's hot. Oh boy, look at the mark I left all the way down there. All right, this was good, Dr. Pepper. I'm just stopping it from being hot. Be good, kids, don't leave your trash. All right, we're not as bad as we were. Oh boy, we gonna make it happen. This is the best thing since sliced bread. I'm gonna get my free tire. Gavin said I'd get a free tire if I drove it back, so I'm driving it back. It's so loud. Listen to how loud it is. It's crazy. That's my car. I do not recommend this. Code is not approved, but I am indeed sending it. It's about to get really loud. Yeah, it's green light. I don't want to stop because it's hard to go. It's spinning the tire, it's spinning the wheel, I guess. I don't have a tire. I don't even know what to do with myself anymore. I got it. Okay, I got it. I'm making it. I'm making it, baby. I'm making it. I made it. I made it home. I made it. I made it.
Oh my God.
Yes, you told me you'd buy me a tire, so I said bet.
I didn't say I'd buy you a tire. I said I would take you to go get a tire put on.
Well, damn. Let's go get a tire then, because I
What
can't.
the bro?
You know how many cops I passed?
Oh my
All of
God.
them.
You dead ass drove like this?
Yeah. I had to do a burnout on the side of the highway to get the rest of the tire off. It was just like, do, 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 do. It was terrible. No, that was definitely tire. That wasn't like that from the burnout either. That was from this. Hey, Duraflex, I want a wide body kit. You know how many cops I passed and people like drove by taking pictures? It was great.
Oh my God. You're gonna make the headline news here.
The only thing I'm worried about is that fluid on my gas tank.
Okay.
This thing is a trooper. Yeah, I can't quite use the spare anymore. Well,
Jack it up. We'll take your other tire to your other wheel to the place and get a tire put on it.
hey, you said I wouldn't do it, but guess what I did?
Oh, chill out. Not on the concrete.
On the street, bro. Alright guys, it's time to take my tires and fix them because all of my tires are broken. So here's the wheel and tire to my car, and here's my motorcycle tire, which as you can tell, it's showing bands because I did a burnout last night. Follow me on Instagram. Follow It's Just a Six on Instagram and you'll see stupid things that I do off camera. Also follow Zorby while you're at it.
Follow Harris.
Follow It's Just Harris, or it's a Harris. Hey, follow everybody. And I'm being serious, do it, because it helps us out a lot, and you get to see a lot of stuff that we do off camera, like I was doing freaking figure eights on the dirt bike last night, just cause why not? So, got the new tire right here, gonna replace this tire, then grab the car tire, and then once we do that, I'll be able to be movable again. I'll be able to drive something. So we just dropped the wheel off at the tire shop and Harry went full Spanish on that one. He was translating everything. They were having full conversations and I had no idea what they were talking about. Thank you, Harry. No problem. So the bike is right here, just hanging out, doing a whole lot of nothing. The back tire is at the Honda shop. It's gonna be tomorrow before I can get that back. I ordered a clutch. I ordered a few different parts. I'm gonna have to go through the bike. One of the seals on the crank on the counter shaft is leaking, so I'm gonna replace that, which should not be a big problem at all. And that's pretty much it. Just getting my stuff back on the road because I decided to destroy all the rubber this episode. So y'all have a good one. Have a great day and get on that yee-haw-haw, ride that horse down to the old town road, and remember to freaking send it. It'll do.
Yeah! Yeah, bro! Yeah, bro! Oh, shit! Oh my God.
Finish it.
How can I get back to Bossier?
Yeah. Finish it. Come on, it's about to get dark and everything. Come on.